guys, Tracy here with Kokokahn essential oils. I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade lip scrub with jojoba beads and coconut oil today. We're also going to use lavender and red mandarin essential oil. It exfoliates the lips and leaves them super soft. It feels so good. Sarah and I just made a batch and did some ourselves, and we're like in love with this stuff. So anyways, we're going to start with jojoba beads. Jojoba beads is dehydrated jojoba oil. They're super fine little scrubby beads that do not tear the skin, like a nut, ground nuts or sugar or salt that will tear your skin. So that's why jojoba beads are really nice to use. And we're going to start with 1 teaspoon of jojoba beads. This is a half a teaspoon I have here, so I'm going to put 2 scoops into, my container. This is just a 2-ounce little jar. You can get lots of containers in even like Walmart or Target in the travel section. That's usually where you can find the smaller containers. And then we have some on our website as well. So there's half a teaspoon. We're doing a total of 1 teaspoon. There is 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of jojoba beads. Next, we're going to add our coconut oil. And we are using cold pressed or unrefined coconut oil, which is the all natural state that cold pressed coconut oil comes in. It's naturally a butter, so at 75 degrees it starts becoming a soft butter, and the colder it gets, the harder and harder it gets. So, and then it becomes a liquid over 75 degrees. I highly recommend the cold pressed or unrefined coconut oil. The other coconut oil that's out there on the market is fractionated coconut oil. That coconut oil will not solidify, and it's been stripped of its triglycerides, so it's been stripped of some of its natural health benefits. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon of cold pressed unrefined coconut oil. Plus, this coconut oil will impart an aroma versus the coconut oil that's had fractionated coconut oil has no aroma. So it's nice to have the coconut aroma. We're going to add this to the 1 teaspoon of jojoba beads. And your unrefined or cold pressed coconut oil might be a liquid when you make your recipe. And that's fine too, because we're going to solidify it up. I'll show you how to do that at the end. Okay, and now we're just going to add our essential oils. And we are going to add 3 drops of mandarin, red mandarin, 3 drops of red mandarin, and 3 drops of lavender. Of course, you can double, triple, make this batch a lot bigger if you want. It would be fun to maybe do some, make a big batch and share it with friends and family members, make gifts for Mother's Day or birthdays or even Christmas, But here, actually, Sarah, if you can zoom in a little bit. So I am using a glass stir rod to mix it. I know these aren't the easiest to find. So another thing you could use is even like a stainless steel or metal chopstick or the end of a fork or a knife. Just something pointy that's sterile. And you just mix it in really well there. And as you can see, when we added the coconut oil, it was a soft butter. So what I recommend is after you mix it in nice, put your cap on, stick it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and it'll solidify a little bit more for you. That way it'll be easier to use. And then you just apply it to your lips. I mean, you'll feel it. It just exfoliates the lips, and then when you take it off, you have this really nice, soft, coconut moisturized feeling lip. So anyways, have fun, guys, making this recipe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.